Herbal Pharmacy is a fundamental skill that empowers us to make use of the healing properties of plants. At Wild Rose College, we've put together an in-depth course that is designed to give you the knowledge and confidence you need to make your own high-quality herbal remedies. This course contains 81 recipes and formulas in 77 videos that make up over 12 hours of footage. It comes complete with the manual and lifetime access to the video content, plus bonus material, Q&A, and a 3-month membership to the Wild Rose Herbal Village. We start with the basics of herbal terminology, solvents, recommended equipment, and best practices for processing herbs. Then we move into internal preparations, including tinctures, syrups, cordials, elixirs, meads, mocktails, pills, powders, food preparation, and so much more. Finishing up with external preparations, including salves, lotions, body butters, poultices, deodorants, lip balms, suppositories, and more. My goal with this course is to make crafting plant medicine easy and fun for anyone who has the desire to work with herbs. Whether your dream is to start a herbal business, work with clients, or be a part-time kitchen witch, this course will give you the confidence and skills you need to make it happen. Join me in deepening your skills in making high-quality herbal products. Find out everything you need to know about our Herbal Pharmacy course at wildrosecollege.com. I look forward to seeing you on the other side.